Hi everyone. I have done this leadership training with Rakesh. I found this course, the entire session, extremely enriching, learning, extremely thought provoking. At a very personal level, it has left me with lot many new thoughts, new ideas, new perspectives. To me, there are clearly two things that stood out in this entire session that we had with Rakesh, and I would like to touch upon that. The first thing in my mind, Rakesh, the trainer himself, what I felt, and I believe rest of the team members who were part of the session also felt the same. We all found Rakesh extremely relatable, rooted, connected. We could relate to him. And he gave the environment where we could express ourselves openly. We could connect. The atmosphere was so open that it was not looking like that you were going through a curriculum or a session. It was a very open conversation. To me, that is very important. Or else it becomes very difficult where you do not know an individual, and why would you open up, right? That's one aspect. And the second aspect is the content in itself. See, what I felt personally, everything is changing. Everything, right? And I need not stress much upon what is changing. Everything, right? And so is the leadership styles, engagement styles, and the way you interact. Be it people of the same level, people of different levels, people below you, people above you, the cross relationships in an organization. That's one aspect of it. Second aspect of it, which in my mind stood out very, very clearly, is there are many leadership programs available in the marketplace, be it in India, in Indian context, be it international programs, where the content with Rakesh I found extremely relevant is it's so deeply rooted to Indian culture. I need not stress upon the fact that India is not one country per se. It's multiple country. People in North India have a different behavioral pattern than South India, Eastern India, Western India. Even within Eastern India, it gets divided, right? So then leadership is all about being in the zone. That's where I found the kind of content Rakesh has. It's so deeply Indian. You can relate to it. I'll give you an example just to make the point. Many people say leadership is all about influence. Leadership is all about trust, right? But what influence? How do I understand what is influence? Where does it go? That's where we found the entire content, the model, the system. Let's say trust. What does it take to build the trust? How can we break it down at a more granular level? That's where I found the kind of conversation, the kind of case studies, the kind of engagement, the kind of assignments we had really opened lot many new things, lot many deeper understanding of the subject. I personally felt enlightenment, and I will encourage, if you get a chance, spend some time, go through this experience, gift the experience to yourself, and I'm sure you will find it extremely enriching as well. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank Rakesh for the kind of content you've created, the kind of patience and the way you worked very closely with each one of us. Thank you. Thank you, Rakesh, and thank you, everyone. All the best.